Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we are going to analyze why website and shop option is working very well for Facebook ads right now. So I don't want to make this video super long, so long story short, this option is working very well. I have created this video about the 10K funding opportunity that we had for everybody to use it and stuff, and whoever used it, they had better results. I would like to take you in one other account, show you the previous results, and then show you the results that we see right now, and they're improved a lot, and analyze a little bit why it's working or not, and then start using it into your other accounts. Comment over here if it's working well for you, and that's it. Let's go on my PC. So I have showed you this other account in the past, and this is another account from one of my clients. We have other accounts which we're working, which are for the mother company, let's say, and this is a new e-commerce that they're starting. As you can see, very simple structure over here. 150 because we have the credit still that I was talking about, just $10 on retargeting, very simple stuff, startup things. In the last month on April, we started this promotion which is paid and we still have money to spend on it, 1.18, but as we can see here we have website and the ROAS that we see. So this is coming, the 0.62 is coming from the website, and we have something extra which is coming 1.18 minus 0.62, 0.56, which is coming from the store. This is how it's helping. So if you have a decent store within Facebook and Instagram, you can have better conversions, which means that you will have some conversions there, some conversions on the website, they're going to be added up. In the previous month when this started, we had 1.15 in total. This month it's working much better. We have already 1.15. Let me tell you that these numbers for the other account are numbers that we're just hitting for the first time. Okay, and if we start seeing here on the last 7 days, it's even getting better with 1.88. If we manage to hit 2 ROAS plus over here, most probably the client is going to be the happiest person in the world, because this is a project that we have as a side project for a period, and it means that we can start spending serious money to it like we spend on the other accounts. So of course, at the same time, the owner, I know him for the past 3 years. He's making things on the side, creatives and stuff. We are having all of this knowledge from him, that he's pushing different things to improve the results. But we can see also that the average cost per purchase over here drops to 52. We're having 14 website purchases, meta purchases are 6, which means that 6 are coming from the shop, and this is what helps us to get the 1.9 over here, because if we were running just website, in this case we would get 1.35. Is Facebook favoring this kind of ads? I don't know, but I know that when I'm using it and the Facebook store or Instagram store, they are good, it's working very well, and this is why I'm creating this video, to show you with actual results that this is working very well. In the last 7 days we are getting the best results that we ever had. This month is going amazingly well, and comparing to the previous month that we didn't have this, I can tell you that it's a significant increase, and something that you should also do, and you should test it. One more thing that I forgot to mention is that this campaign, it's actually a crazy method, stacked lookalikes method, which means that over here we are actually using stacked lookalikes, because we reached that point after spending money to interest, and we're at the point that we can use lookalikes. The whole point is to use over here inside this setting, website and shop instead of website. Okay, and this is going to bring you, I think, better results based on what I see. And you don't have to do it only with Advantage Plus that has this option. You can do it with each conversion campaign that you're doing, website and shop. And you need to have a shop. If you don't have a shop, you cannot do this. So based on my experience by several other accounts that I'm working with, I can tell you that it's working. So you should start using it and tell me if it's working. Don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my free course, my paid course, my website. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.